Hello, everybody. Guess what I'm doing? I'm on the hunt for a girlfriend here at Ikea. Not just any girlfriend, my girlfriend. I challenged my girlfriend IceHeart and her friend Greenleaf, I believe. Yes, Greenleaf. I challenged them to hide and seek in Ikea. And I think I may take a while trying to find them in this giant store. I'm currently walking fast and walking through every nook and cranny of all these displays. So you're gonna see a lot of awesome Swedish furniture, but at what cost will it be till I finally find, ooh, look at that. Until I finally find and I am reconnected, finally reunited with my one and only love, that being IceHeart. A heart that is as cool as ice because she's cool like that. Actually, in all honesty, I'm kind of more the cool one in the relationship. But either way, I'm on the hunt, and they are not gonna get away from me. By the way, I actually took a restroom break, so I gave them a little bit of an extra 1-2 minute head start. This is starting to seem a little impossible. Sorry, that's a fake door. Let's see, are they... I know where they're at. Are they in here? No. I'm in all the kitchens right now, and I'm gonna scope through this entire maze of display houses until I find them. They're not there either. Where could they be? I'll keep you guys updated. Wait. Are they here? Nope. Someone's already playing hide and seek. Alright, are they... here? Ooh, that's fancy. What about here? No? Here? No? Or they went the opposite direction and they're in the food court. Well, you guys, I seem to be striking out. I'm at the food court right now and I don't see them. I went through the entire maze and I still don't see them. I'm gonna go backwards and see if that will help. Well guys, I made my second loop, or not, actually I haven't even finished my second loop, but I have no signs. I am not close at all. Then again, there's also no trail to follow either, so I have no lead. It's just me and this camera in this giant store trying to find two people. Is it impossible? No. Is it difficult? Yes. This is quite possibly the most difficult game of hide and seek I have ever played. And I'm barely 30 minutes in. But, am I gonna give up? No. This chair is not comfortable. I thought it was, but it's not. This chair is not comfortable. So anyways, I finally found them. Haha. So
we were so close.
I know. There was like,
and then I just had to like just stay still once he saw me. I just gave up.
We should have ran the other way.
I don't know, but I just like gave up. I give up.
So yeah, I was 12 minutes away before it was 5 and it would be too late, but hey, I finally did it.
Next time we're gonna have my boyfriend join in on the fun.
Yeah.
Nope, that way.
Oh, that way, yes.
Although I still say that we should have ran the other way.
Samantha, like I said, I literally just was like, I saw him and I'm like, I give up.
Well, I wouldn't have. I would have ran. If I knew that, I would have just booked it the other way and gone back upstairs.
You know, what was the thing that made me walk this way to eventually where you guys were? I was listening and I heard people that sounded just like you. And then next thing I knew, I was walking in between the aisles in the giant warehouse where all the furniture was. And then I saw this little girl with her boyfriend struggling to pull out this giant rug thing. And I was like, oh, it sounded just like Sam, darn it. But then I just kept walking, and then all of a sudden I found you guys. But either way, that's the game, and I declare myself the winner. And we'll see you guys in the next time we do this thing. Bye.